Hello friends, welcome back to another solution video. In this video I will be providing you the solution of our arcade trivia September week 1 last lab solution. And before starting the solution of this lab, I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of the previous 3 lab that you can access from this playlist. Already तीनों के तीनों solution updated हो चुके हैं और चौथे के भी update हो जाएंगे. So I will suggest you to please save this playlist and complete all the remaining labs. The link of the playlist would be in the description box. Without wasting time, start this lab. I already started the lab because this is the condition that we have to spend minimum 3 minutes in this or 5 minutes in this lab. That's why I already started the lab so that we don't have to wait for 5 minutes extra. Okay, so पहले मैंने lab start कर ली थी, तो आपको जब lab start हो जाए उसके बाद आपको 5 मिनट इस lab में must spend करने ही करने हैं. Okay, so and you also have to complete these quizzes. So I will be giving you the direct answer for the quizzes, but you have to read the questions carefully and their answer, because in your case the question and the answers order would be juggle up. हो सकता है फर्स्ट केस में आपका स्कोर कार्ड आंसर जो है 4th नंबर पे हो, so you have to copy it or correct it very carefully. For the first one, the answer is scorecard. Click on the submit, you will get the green tick here. For the second one, it's calculated field. Click on the submit. For third one, it's data set. For the fourth one, it's time series. For the fifth one, it's lake. And for the sixth one, it's IM. So click on the submit button and you will get the green tick for all the 6 quizzes, and your lab is completed. But all you have to do is now wait for 5 minutes. After that, you will click on the end lab button. So wait for it. So now you can see I already spent more than 5 minutes in this lab. So I can click on the end lab button now. You can click on end lab button once again. Give the star rating, click on submit. Now come back to main page to verify whether we actually get the green tick in the lab or not. The lab में green tick मिला है या नहीं ये check कर लेते हैं. So open the module and you can see we get the green tick beside our lab. It means we successfully completed all the labs. So if you also get the green tick, it means you get the 1 more arcade points. So congratulations. So with that, simply I want to wrap the video. Congratulations. And if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Good. Bye.